Okay. What's your name?
Elise.
Your name?
Ava.
Your name?
Tiny.
Your name?
It's Ryan.
That's right. And your name? What's your name?
Creepos.
Did you guys just have a bath?
Yeah.
And you're all clean?
Yeah.
And you all smell good?
Yeah.
And your hair looks pretty, and your hair looks pretty, and your hair looks pretty? And you guys look handsome? Yeah? Ew.
Ew, he has.
He is handsome. He is weird, your brother.
He has.
He's so cute.
Yeah, and he's weird.
Yeah, but we love him.
We have cookies.
Did you guys have milk and cookies?
Yeah.
Were they good?
Yeah.
Were they double stuffed Oreo cookies?
Yeah.
Well, how do you spell your last? Are you a Zervadakis?
Yes.
Are you a Zervadakis?
Yeah.
Are you a Zervadakis?
Yeah.
Are they Zervadakises?
Yeah.
How do you spell it?
ZERBOUDAKIS.
Woohoo! That should be in a spelling bee. You should win.
KIS.
There you go, Ava. Who's the best auntie?
You
Woo! Who wants to spend the night again? And next time we could go swimming, huh? Yeah. Next time we go swimming.
Swimming.
Yeah, I think this is great. You want to go swimming too?
Yeah.
I want
to go swimming.
Yeah. I'm going to tell your daddy.
Yeah.
Okay, say goodnight because you're going to watch SpongeBob now.
Good night.
You guys are so much fun. I'm having a great time. You guys are the best.